Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own fidget stress balls at home. So let's get right into it. So I got this over Meyer, and I want to show you guys how to make your very own stress balls. All I need to get is this maker by Dr. Squash, and you need to get some refills of these balloons, and you get clips with it, color clips. Okay, so you put like around here, and you pump this. Okay, and then you can get your best color. I choose pink, and you put your side in here, and then voila! Take that off, and you got your very own stress ball. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day, guys. Peace out.